Good morning, my dear students. This is Unit 5 NMOD Laplace Transforms Lecture 18. Problem continuation. Problem 4. Using Laplace transform method, solve d square plus 1 into y is equal to sin 2t into sin t. Given y is equal to 1, dy is equal to 0 when t is equal to 0. So you write your given differential equation d square plus 1 into y is equal to sin 2t into sin t. Y is equal to 1 at t is equal to 0 means y is equal to 1 at t is equal to 0 means y of 0 is equal to 1. dy means y dash. So y dash at 0 is equal to 0. These are the initial conditions. This is the equation. You write this equation d square y plus y is equal to sin 2t sin t. D square y means y double dash plus y is equal to sin 2t sin t. Taking Laplace transform on both sides ly double dash plus ly is equal to L of sin 2t sin t. Ly double dash is s square y bar s minus s into y0 minus y dash 0 formula. Ly means y bar s is equal to 1 by 2 L of 2 sin 2t sin t. Here right side you multiply and divided by 2. We have to get 2 sin A sin B. What is 2 sin A sin B? Formula cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Intermediate formula cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Left side s square y bar s. What is y0? 1. So s into 1. What is y dash 0? 0 is given. Minus 0 plus y bar s is equal to 1 by 2 L of 2 sin, this is A, this is B. 2 sin A sin B formula. Cos A minus B. Cos 2t minus t minus cos 2t plus t. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Using that formula. Okay. Now you common y bar s. S square plus 1 into y bar s minus s is equal to 1 by 2 L of cos t minus L of 2t plus t cos 3t. Cos 3t. So s square plus 1 into y bar s is equal to 1 by 2. What is L of cos t? S by s square plus 1 minus L of cos 3t. S by s square plus a square means a means 3. 3 square means 9. You take this minus s this side, we get plus s. We get plus s. Now dividing by y bar, dividing by the coefficient of y bar s. Y bar s coefficient s square plus 1. దీంతో divide చేద్దాం. According to procedure. 1 by 2 s by s square plus 1 into s square plus 1. S square plus 1 whole square minus 1 by 2 s by as square plus 9 into as square plus 1. ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని డివైడ్ చేశాను, సెపరేట్ చేశాను. ప్లస్ ఈ చివరిలో ఒకటి ఉంది ఎస్ బై ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1. ఎస్ బై ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1. We have to write this one. Write one more step here. 1 by 2 s by s square plus 1 whole square minus, you write 1 by s by small number minus s by s square plus 9 big number. Adjustment way. Don't find partial fractions. It is very difficult to find partial fractions. So adjustment methodology. S cube plus 9s. Taking the LCM. What is your numerator? This is margin. Your numerator is s cube plus 9s minus s cube minus s. So s cube cancel. We get 8s. But there is no 8 here. That's why you write 1 by 8. Already 1 by 2 is there. You write again 1 by 8. S by s square plus 1. Taking inverse Laplace transform on both sides, L inverse y bar s is equal to 1 by 2 L inverse s by s square plus 1 means 1 square whole square minus 1 by 16 L inverse s by s square plus 1 plus 1 by 16 L inverse s by s square plus 9 plus L inverse s by s square plus 1. So we get here 1 by 2. What is the formula we have to use here? This is of the formula. Look here. L inverse s by s square plus a square whole square formula. Already we know this formula. T by 2a sin at. We know this formula. What is a value here? 1. So we get this one. T by 2 into 1. T by 2 sin at. Sin a means 1. So sin t. Minus 1 by 16 L inverse s. This formula cos t. Plus 1 by 16. This formula here a square means 3 square. A square 9 can be written as 3 square. So a is 3. So this is cos 3t. Already we know those formulae. This is cos t. So t by 4 sin t minus 1 by 16 plus 1. 15 by 16 plus 15 by 16 cos t plus 1 by 16 cos 3t. This is the formula. Write this one in margin. So this is the final answer. Problem 5. Using Laplace transform method, solve d square plus n square into x is equal to a sin nt plus alpha, given x is equal to dx is equal to 0 at t is equal to 0. Okay, solution. Given differential equation d square plus n square into x is equal to a sin nt plus alpha. What is given here? X is equal to 0 at t is equal to 0 means x of 0 is equal to 0. Dx means x dash of 0 is equal to 0. Now this can be written as d square x plus n square x is equal to a sin a plus b formula. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a plus b formula. Okay, d square x means x double dash n square x is equal to a cos alpha sin nt plus a sin alpha cos nt. Now taking Laplace transform on both sides, L of x double dash n square constant L of x is equal to a cos alpha constant L of sin nt plus a sin alpha constant L of cos nt. L of cos nt. So what is L of x double dash? S square x bar s minus x into x0 minus x dash 0 plus n square. L of x is x bar s, right side, a cos alpha, L of sin 80, a means n here. So n by s square plus n square, a by s square plus a square formula, a by s square plus a square formula, a sin alpha, s by s square plus n square, L of cos nt. Okay, here x0 0, x dash 0 also 0 in this problem. So this is 0, this is 0, that is given in the problem. Now this is common x bar, s square plus n square, x bar is equal, x bar s is equal to what about this, a cos alpha n by s square plus n square, a sin alpha s by s square plus n square, dividing by x bar coefficient of x bar s according to methodology. X bar s is equal to a cos alpha into n by s square plus n square into s square plus n square, s square plus n square whole square, a sin alpha s by s square plus n square whole square. So observe these formulae. ln inverse s by s square plus a square whole square, t by 2a sin 80, ln inverse 1 by s square plus a square whole square, 1 by 2a cube sin 80 minus 80 cos 80. So these are very very important formulae. Practice them. Now coming to this problem, continuation. Taking inverse Laplace transform on both sides, ln inverse x bar s is equal to a cos alpha n into ln inverse 1 by s square plus n square whole square plus a sin alpha ln inverse s by s square plus n square whole square. So this is nothing but x of t. Here a cos alpha into n, this is 1 by 2a cube means 2n cube, sin nt minus 80 means nt cos nt, using the above formula, plus a sin alpha, this is t by 2a 2n sin 80 means nt. So this is n cancel, we get a cos alpha by 2n square into sin t minus nt cos nt. Here 80 by 2n sin alpha sin nt. This is the final answer. Note down. Problem 6. Using Laplace transform, solve 4y double dash plus pi square. Y is equal to 0, y of 0 equal to y dash 0 equal to 0. Okay. Very easy problem. Given differential equation 4y double dash plus pi square y is equal to 0. Taking Laplace transform on both sides, 4 constant L of y double dash, pi square also constant L of y, 0. There is no L0. L0 means 0. 4 bracket s square y bar s minus s y 0 minus y dash 0, pi square ly y bar s 0. 4s square y bar s minus 4s into what is y0? 2 minus 4 y dash 0 0 plus pi square y bar s is equal to 0. 4s square plus pi square into y bar s is equal to, this is 8s. So this becomes this side plus 8s. So y bar s is equal to 8s by 4s square plus pi square. Now taking inverse according to procedure, Laplace transform L inverse y bar s is equal to 8 constant L inverse s by common 4 here. S square coefficient should be equal to 1. That's why common 4. S square plus pi square by 4. So this is y of t, our required solution y of t. 4 cancel here 2 times. 2 L inverse s by s square pi by 2 whole square. 2 into, this is the cos at formula. A means pi by 2. So pi by 2 t. 2 cos pi by 2 t. This is the required solution. Problem 7. Using Laplace transform method, solve d square x by dt square plus 9x is equal to sin t. x0 is equal to 1. X pi by 2 is equal to 1. Not x dash. This is not printing mistake. X dash 0 is not given. So take x dash 0 as some constant k. So what is given differential equation? D square x by dt square plus 9x is equal to sin t. So x double dash plus 9x is equal to sin t. Here x0 is given 1. X pi by 2 is given 1. X dash 0 is not given. So let x dash 0 is equal to k. Now taking Laplace transform on both sides, L x double dash plus 9 constant L x is equal to L sin t. So s square x bar s minus s x 0 minus x dash 0 plus 9 into, this is x bar s is equal to L of sin t is 1 by s square plus 1. 1 by s square plus 1. So s square, you common x bar s, s square plus 9 into x bar s s square plus 9 into x bar s minus s into what is x0 1, what is x dash 0 k is equal to 1 by s square plus 1. So s square plus 9 into x bar s is equal to 1 by s square plus 1. You take minus s this side plus s. You take minus k this side plus k. So we're dividing by coefficient of x bar s. So x bar s is equal to 1 by s square plus 1 into s square plus 9 s by s square plus 9 plus k by s square plus 9. Taking L inverse on both sides, inverse Laplace transform. L inverse, you write this one 1 by s square plus 1 minus 1 by s square plus 9. 1 by small minus 1 by big. What is the difference? S square plus 9 minus s square minus 1. S square cancel. We get 9 minus 1, 8. There is no 8. That's why you write here 1 by 8. 1 by 8. Here L inverse s by s square plus 9. K constant. L inverse 1 by s square plus 9. This is xt 1 by 8. L inverse 1 by s square plus 1 sin t. L inverse 1 by s square 1 by 3 sin 3t. Here a square means 9. A is 3. Plus this is cos 3t. This is k by 3 sin 3t. So we have to find k value. We have to find k value. What is other one is given x pi by 2 is equal to 1. Using x pi by 2 is equal to 1. T place lo pi by 2 పెట్టాలి. 1 is equal to 1 by 8 sin pi by 2. 1 by 3 sin 3 pi by 2 plus cos 3 pi by 2. T బదులు k by 3 sin 3 pi by 2. T బదులు pi by 2 పెట్టాను. 1 is equal to 1 by 8 sin 0 0 sin pi by 2 1. 1 minus sin 3 pi by 2. Sin 3 pi by 2 is also 1. So 1 or minus 1. Sin 3 pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 first quadrant 1. Sin 3 pi by 2. Sin 270 minus 1. So 1 by 3 into minus 1. Cos 3 pi by 2 0. Sin 3 pi by 2 minus 1. So minus k by 3. So we get, you take one more simplification. 1 by 8 into 1 by 3 plus 1. 4 by 3 minus k by 3. This implies k by 3 is equal to, take this one, you take this one. 4 cancel here 2 times. So 1 by 6 minus 1. 1 by 6 minus 1. So minus 5 by 6. From this k value minus 15 by 6 nothing but minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2. Substituting k value here, therefore xt is equal to 1 by 8 into sin t minus 1 by 3 sin 3t plus cos 3t. Instead of k you write minus 5 by 2. So minus 5 by 6. Minus 5 by 6 sin 3t.